Yeah.
Guys, today is my final day in school. Today is my final day in school. I just remember to vlog it now. Meet my wait, where is my right hand?
Hi guys. I'm gonna do that.
So she said I made her famous because she showed in one of my videos and her children were shouting. So me, I want to make her famous again.
Thank you for staying tuned to this channel. The Bomb Channel.
Today is our last day in school.
Wow. How fast time is that?
As in,
It's like yesterday when we walked through those days, we go and collect ID card.
ID card. Just like yesterday, I swear.
My first lecture was in this hall.
Was it in this one?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Lecture 31.
Our own was
management.
Our own was Lady Hill.
Yeah, it was.
That same place you met me.
That was my second module.
Oh,
my second
okay,
module.
yes. We did our first and second module then. Yes. So we met when we were doing our second module. Yes.
She was dashing out. I was like, I know this face. Excuse me, are you the YouTuber? Let's say. She said, yes, do I know you? I said, yes, I am a subscriber. I watch it. Even this morning as I was coming.
Yes, that was what she said.
I was
like,
I'm worried to go and pick up my son.
My son?
I'm so sorry. She was wearing a wine colored.
Are you serious? You remembered everything?
We were wearing a tracksuit. We were wearing joggers, yeah.
Joggers.
With, I think, was it pink?
Peach. Okay, that was what I wanted to wear today. I was like, this weather, I know if you wear that thing. Okay, now I remember. So today we're doing the same module as our last module. You can imagine.
What are the odds?
As in, what are the
odds?
As in, we end up in the same class. See how you meet amazing people online, on social media, just like that. I swear. I swear. This vlog, I don't write assignment time. I just say, I beg, man, just do small vlog. Man, ease this tension.
It's very necessary.
Where are you now?
Jamie.
Fifth vlog.
No, I've actually done 3, 4, and 5. It's just the
They're just
pictures.
doing touch up.
The pictures. All the model, that model, this model, that. So
You see, don't tire me.
Max day for diagram. I want to do gap analysis now.
It's gap analysis. I've drawn this thing. I did it on Word. This is Word now.
This is PowerPoint actually.
You're doing it on It's the same thing now. To see show you shapes and all these things.
It wasn't showing that check. Now to go to
Check. Oh, okay. So I've drawn it.
Just format it nicely for you. But you have to start looking for how to get it.
Me, I'm just finding an easy way out. You see that word do I there? No one come out there. I wanted to go on Canva and do it, but I just did there, do everything, submit and I'm tired.
The roadmap. What are you doing?
Roadmap.
Is it
no, that one I'll do it on Canva. I've not done it. I'll do it on Canva. Even templates that I've been seeing since yesterday, Canva.
Is Canva the template?
Canva. You go on Google now. Once you start templates, you see like different designs that you can just adopt. But on Canva too,
on Canva you have templates and they're a bit fancy.
Yes. So guys, this is the building where I'm having my last lecture. This is where I've been having my lecture since 6 weeks? Yes, 6 weeks now. And that's the Newton building. Sorry, Chapman building. That's the Chapman building. Then I'm going to the store, the student store, to get water. So I just thought I should carry you guys along, and that's the library. See, I know I promised you guys a school tour, but baby girl has been busy. And this summer period would have been the ideal time, but I'm sorry guys, might not happen. It is me. It's only water that I came to get though. Let me see if I can have this. Stairs. Let me have this one. That's burger, that's coffee. So guys, I got my water and these unplanned snacks. I'm going back to the Chapman building right now. I still have assignments to write, so I'm here like almost all day today because baby girl needs to submit those assignments. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. You said what?
You like a turtle.
I'm like a turtle.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Huh?
Look at you.
Hey, stop bullying me.
You said what?
Hey, stop bullying me.
Who are you? What are you eating? Guys, I'm back home. And this bird is stressing me. Yeah, hold just a minute. I'll give you more raisin, okay? Do you want me to give you more raisin?
Yeah.
So give me a minute. 5 minutes.
Mommy,
I will increase it, but just give me 5 minutes.
only like pee.
Go and pee. Go and pee.
No, only like pee. Only like pee.
You already peed?
Yeah.
When?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
I to see.
So I couldn't finish the work. I just came back with it. I relaxed a bit and I just want to continue, but this boy is stressing my life. It's disturbing me, seriously. So, but yeah, I'm back to man, for you. What are you having? What are you having?
Nothing. I made raisin.
Can I see your raisin? Are you showing them your raisin?
Look,
Wow.
my raisin here. Do you like it, guys?
Let me have my pistachio.
No.
Let me have it.
No.
Give me my pistachio.
Here you go. Give me.
So guys, look at my pistachio.
Look at my raisin.
Look, this is where you put it. You put it here. Wait, let me open it. You put it on the camera like this.
Look at my raisin.
Look at my pistachio. Walking in the house with children is a problem. That's why I like to stay in school for long.
I don't see a problem.
You don't see a problem?
Yeah.
Okay, you will see a problem because you're giving me problem.
No, because
Am I kidding you?
Yeah.
Look what no one. Chidebe, can you stop screaming?
Are you kidding me?
Who are you that I'm kidding? Guys, I'm excited. No more lectures for me. No more lectures. No more lectures for me. I'm submitting on Friday. Today is what? Today is Tuesday. So I have like 2 days to finish up my assignments and submit everything, and I'm done. And then
Mommy, you're people.
my one.
You're people. You very people.
I'm wearing purple.
You're wearing black. You're wearing
So
I'm black.
next thing is internship.
Where we living?
I think most of the things we'll be doing now is online till for like go and pee. Chidebe, go and pee. Stop holding your pee, okay? Good boy.
Bye. Bye. Yeah.
Tell them you want to quickly go and pee.
Please.
Okay, go.
Monkey.
You want some pistachio?
Yes, I do.
You do? Yeah, here you go. I have one for you. Open your mouth.
My monkey.
I want to give you Pringles.
Yeah.
There you go. Have some. You want to try it?
Gross.
It's gross.
It's gross. Yucky.
This boy was literally dragging this Pringles with me because he already finished one pack of the original. So I brought this out and gave him. Immediately he put it in his mouth. The next thing he did was, yucky! Mommy, you tricked me!
Yucky. Close it and put it on the wax.
This one has the flavor. That's right. It has Texas barbecue sauce.
Monkey.
And I like it.
Monkey.
If it's the original, this boy will not allow me to touch this thing. So today I tricked him.
Monkey.
She know her camera for a little monkey. I started this vlog in school because like it was a last minute vlog. But wait, it was a last minute vlog that I started in school. I'm like, today is my last day in school. I'm supposed to vlog it, but the stress I've been going through this past few weeks, plus moving house, everything, and then school assignments and all that, deadline, it's just been taking a toll on me. If you guys notice, I've not been acting on the socials because of this. It's just a lot. So finally we've moved in. Even now that we've moved in, everywhere is just scattered all over the place. I've not had time to arrange them. I'm just like this week I'm not going to do anything concerning this house. My priority then was to just move in, and which we have done. And what I'm doing throughout this week is to complete my assignment and submit before deadline. Deadline is Friday in the evening by 4 p.m. So I need to submit before then. I've been able to achieve a lot in school today, and this night is vigil for me because once this boy is asleep, I have to spend, thank God I'm not going to school tomorrow, so I have to like spend the whole night making sure I finish my assignment. Mostly I like to submit my assignments at least a day before the day of deadline. I don't think I've submitted my assignment on the deadline day.
Get out of my new house.
I should get out of your new house.
Yeah.
What did I do? What did I do?
You are making noise. Get out.
Oh yeah, wait, just a minute. 5 minutes.
Get out. You are not killing you about the animal. Go out. Get out now.
Oh yeah, wait now. 5 minutes.
No. I will teach you my throat. You baby, I will with you. Go out. Yes. Now. Now. Get out.
But it's my house.
You with my new house. You. Are you kidding me? Get out.
Am I kidding you?
Yes. Time out.
Time out.
Yeah, time out. Time out.
So guys, like I was saying before this cockroach interrupted me, this week is just going to be for my assignment. I was saying that I don't think I've ever submitted my assignment on the day of the deadline because I hate tension, and it's looking like it this time around that I'm going to be under pressure and I don't want to be, so which is the reason why I'm going to do like a vigil this night and possibly tomorrow night. Go and wee in the bathroom. Yeah, go fast. Is it cold outside? So which is what I'm gonna do. And yeah, what else was I going to say? Baba, don't weed there again. Did you hear me?
Okay.
Don't weed there again.
Okay, I'll play with my scooter.
Where is your slippers?
Slippers?
We are going to look for your slippers and wear it.
I can't see it.
Go to that staircase side. You see it there.
Staircase?
By the staircase.
Staircase?
Look at it over there. So what was I saying again? This boy.
Okay.
Anyway guys, I think I'm just going to end this vlog here. Unplanned vlog, but thankfully, yeah. And for people that have been commenting on the new house, thank you guys. And I'm sure by the time this video will go up, I probably would have replied. Alright, go. I probably would have replied the messages, but because I've been getting a lot of messages since this week, since I uploaded that video, and I've not had time to reply those comments. Rather, I've not had time to reply them because I've been busy. But by the time you'll be seeing this video, I'm sure I would have replied most of the comments on that video. And thank you guys for all your sweet comments. Thank you so much. The house is just still empty, nothing serious, no decor, nothing. I think like the only decor I've done here so far is just this one here. Let me try. It's just this one here, nothing serious. Everything is just as plain as it was, just furnitures and all that. So I don't know if I'll be doing house updates thing. I'm not sure I will do that, seriously guys. I'm not sure, but yeah, until next time guys, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my video if you haven't. Like, why haven't you subscribed to my channel? So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.